Hi, I'm Caleb Simmons, Vice Provost of Arizona Online at the University of Arizona. And we're extremely excited for our partnership with RV College of Engineering because we're like-minded institutions who want to focus on being prestigious and rigorous, educating the future generations, extending our impact beyond the four walls of our institutions to make real impact on global challenges that are facing the entire world, from workforce development to societal problems. So as we look forward to extending this partnership further, we want to build something that extends beyond time zones, beyond geographical region, to where we can really push forward what the world needs, whether it's economic, whether it's societal, no matter where it is. RV College of Engineering and the University of Arizona wants to work together to make lasting impact on a global scale.
Hi, my name is Gaurang Choksi, and I'm partnering with the University of Arizona to help form the Semiconductor Manufacturing Initiative with Professor Krishna. I spent almost 4 decades working in the semiconductor industry with Intel Corporation, and what excites me about this partnership with RVCE is the mutual collaboration and the areas of focus that they have in common of working with the future generation of engineers. Our U of A brings in a huge amount of knowledge related to optics and optical co-packaging, which can be leveraged, and RVCE has a lot of experience in bringing together students from different fields, and I'm looking forward to the partnership between these two institutions.
Hi, I'm Krishna Muralidharan, the Director of the Center for Semiconductor Manufacturing at the University of Arizona in the US. As you may know, the University of Arizona is one of the leading public universities in the US. And it's a great honor for us to be here at RVCE. And I'm here as part of formalizing collaborations with RVCE. RVCE is one of the leading colleges in Bangalore and in India. And what we are trying to do is to establish collaborations and relationships with RVCE that are very industry focused, that we want to come together, produce the next generation of workforce who are future-proof, who have the skills to succeed in this era of AI. And what we are trying to do is to create industry-driven partnerships with RVCE, where these partnerships are industry-driven, industry-funded, and ensuring that there is strong collaborations between the two universities.
Hello, I'm Arun Chandrasekhar. I represent Intel India. As somebody who works in a design company that's also heavily into foundry and manufacturing, and also along with some of the colleagues from other Indian companies that are here, it's extremely exciting to have this partnership between academia, the local industry, and University of Arizona. This is very important in terms of setting up the right kind of collaboration between multiple facets, and very important for our young engineers and nation building.